Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can rotate a video clip in the VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is navigate to the VLC Media Player and then click into Tools at the top and navigate to Effects and Filters. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-E for that. After that, navigate to the Video Effects tab and click into Geometry here. Now, from that menu, guys, what you want to do is click into Rotate here and then use that handle here to find your angle, right? Alternately, you may also close this or unselect this checkbox and instead click into Transform and then select Rotate by 90 or 180 or 270 degrees from that menu and apply it by clicking into Save here. Now I'm not going to do this, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.